Welcome to Tactical Llama EDC. My name is Tom. Let's talk about another really awesome knife from QSP that is going to be part of the upcoming subscriber giveaway. Here we have the QS153 Gorilla Prototype. That means this will also have the sample stamp on it, just like the mini penguin in another video I just posted. This one comes in black micarta. Oh, really awesome action right out of the box. Fantastic thing about QSP products. Once again, the quality of them, the action right out of the box, the edges, in my experience, they've always been really, really great. This is a really cool design here. There's that sample stamp. This is really awesome. This is 14C28N blade steel. It is a liner lock. It does have just a pocket clip on one side. The ergonomics and the feel of the micarta is extremely comfortable and enjoyable. I mean, it just is fantastic. Really good action. Comfortable to hold. Very sturdy. It's a good size as well. Comes in at a overall length of 7.875 inches or 200 millimeters, and the blade's 3.375 inches long. Once again, thank you so much to everyone, all the channel subscribers, and everyone who's watched, liked the videos, commented. I really appreciate it. Thank you so much. And thank you to QSP for sending in this knife for the upcoming subscriber giveaway. Please subscribe to the channel so you can see when I drop that entry video. Carry your personality. Thanks for watching.